Hey y'all, it's your girl T. So this concludes the end of my quick weave. I hope y'all enjoyed it. These hair store bundles have just been gorgeous. I'm not gonna lie to you. So it's 4.5 weeks to tomorrow makes 5 weeks that I shot the install of this video, and I think it was a good thing that I held off on the content because now you can actually see how the hair has held up. I've been able to keep it up myself. It looks flawless. I'm not gonna tell y'all, I get so many compliments. I did my makeup, so my curls kind of fell a little bit because I didn't want to spray it with too much hairspray because I'm gonna curl it whenever I want to, so it doesn't really matter. But when I tell y'all, this has been the most flawless, flawless install I think I've ever done. Y'all, literally, I get so many freaking compliments. I'm loving it. The one pack was more than enough hair. It literally never sheds on me, and when it does, it's like a few strands here or there. It definitely does not tangle. This video is not sponsored, by the way, but it does not tangle. Oh my gosh, like I was just like, I love this. If anything, I'm so greedy. I feel like I might want to make this a U-part wig, because I just want to be able to like take it off, put it on, take it off, put it on, take it off, put it on, wash it, take it off, put it on. But that's just me. I love big hair, so I love how I will say this look is so believable. Like I get so many compliments like, wow, your hair is gorgeous, your hair is so long. I'm like, thank you, thank you, thank you. But for it to only be 150 for the whole 3 bundles, I was like, girl, thank you. So I made, look at that. Like I feel like if I get one more pack, it's gonna be extremely full, but that's just me. I like big hair, but I've loved it like this. It's so soft. It's like bedhead hair. It's so sexy. This has been how it's looking. So I really do love it. Yeah, it's doing everything. It's giving everything it's supposed to. Like, I just love it. So I hope y'all enjoyed the install, and thank you for watching.
All right, y'all, let's jump right into the tutorial. So first, we're going to braid our hair back. I braided everything back because I know I wasn't leaving anything in the center out. So this entire part is time-lapse. Now I'm going to use the My Tresses gold pack in the hair store. These bundles were $150 for the whole 3 bundles. Amazing. 2 satin head ball caps things, just caps. 2 of those. This is me halfway done. So the sole purpose of this video is for you all to see how people finish the top of the flip over no part method. I feel like that's really my biggest issue when I watch videos. No one would ever show me the top. So I skip past me just going side to side regularly on the bundles. I did sew my cap down. And if you want to see more of a prep video, I'll do one for you next time. Just leave a comment and like the video. But now you're going to start seeing me come to the close. So I'm going from side to side, and I'm going to give you all a few times of me to see this. Just know, every time I grab the track, I measure first, then put the glue, then put the red can of spray, and then do the blow dryer, and then place the track every single time. No matter if I cut it out or not, just know I did the same thing every single time. That black line going across the front you see on that cap is where I sewed my cap down. So keep in mind that my cap is sewn down, which will give me longevity for my quick weave. Right. So now you're going to start seeing me go from side to side. Okay. Now instead of going from side to side horizontally, I'm going more vertically side to side. So this will assist us to be able to flip the bundles either way we want to without any interference from anything. I'm going to do this all the way up to the front and then I'll cut the cap off. I hope you all really appreciate this up close version of this type of video because that's more so where I struggle. So I want to be of help. Right here, I know I was going vertical, but I went horizontal one more time to just give me a little bit more versatility. And then I'm going to close it out probably with like 2 more tracks. Gonna cut off the cap. Y'all, I ended up eating. This took me an hour, an hour and a half really, because I'm not fast. And then we just bought a Babyless flat iron. I see what I was missing, but these curls were so gorgeous. But I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I just was in love with this style so much. And then I said, you know what? I need to perm my leave out. So I did perm my leave out, but that's because I want my hair to blend even more than what you'll see here. So with the next clip, you'll see I perm my leave out, and then you'll see the final look all together. I hope y'all love the video. All of the products will be listed below, even the hair. So don't worry. The hair is from the beauty supply store, super accessible. And I'll tell you all the details in the description box. But I didn't want this video to be too long. And if you want to see how I did this makeup look, I'm dropping that video as well. So here is me with the perm leave out and then the final look. I loved it so much. I hope y'all love it too. And make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe and leave your girl comments if you really enjoyed this video. Bye-bye.